Hey, how's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you have a Honda CRF300 Rally, you might be wondering how to get these bar weights off. If that's the case, then stick around, that I'll show to you how to do it. Starting here on the left side, we are going to roll back the grip. Now, as you can see here, there's a bit of glue, so that's going to take a bit of effort, but you just have to work your way. So here you can see how much you want to pull the grip off. All you want to do is to really expose this hole in here. And you notice that there inside, there's a little metal tab that is sticking out. And that's what's holding the bar end weight in place. And there's also another one at the bottom. It can be quite tricky to push this in. So what I like to do is to take a screw, put it where I want to hit, hold it in place. And then using a hammer, I just hit it. Then I check that I was able to push it inside. Now what I'm going to do is the same, but on the bottom. If you've done everything correctly, you should be able to just pull it out now. Now, one thing you need to watch out for, there is this rubber in here, and sometimes it can get stuck inside. So just check, this is the complete set. You have this rubber, also this rubber in here, and nothing inside your handlebar. Now on the right side where you have the throttle tube is going to be a bit more involved because we can't just roll back the grip, we actually have to move the throttle tube which is underneath the grip. Now you're looking from underneath of the controls on the right side and you have two Phillips screws for the housing, so we need to get them off. You don't need to completely open the controls, you just have to loosen it a bit so you're able to move it left to right. If that's possible, then it's good enough. Now with the 8mm socket, we're going to loosen these two screws. You don't need to completely remove the screws, you just have to loosen it so we are also able to move this part left to right. And you're going to shift them to the left until you're able to see the hole on this side, here on your handlebar. So here's the hole. We're going to repeat the same. Here I'm putting my nail and I'm going to just hammer a little bit so this metal tab goes to the inside of the handlebar. Now looking from underneath, we're going to do the same thing. Here you can see that this rubber bushing stayed inside my handlebar, so just make sure to catch it. And then we put it back in place. And that's it, you're done. All you have to do now is just put everything together in place, especially here on the side of the throttle tube. But it's a 2-minute job, it doesn't take that long. If you search online, probably you're going to see some guys that also hammer this out. So this is more of a, let's say, a delicate way. If you want to be able to reuse these parts in the future, then you should do it like this. But these metal tabs that we have pressed, in theory, and I have done this already, you can just knock them out. So you would use a plier to hold the bar end weight in place, and then with a hammer you tap it out and then you break these tabs, but of course the consequence is that you cannot reuse it. So just make your choice based on what suits you better. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the videos and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.